Your words like knives and swords and weapons to use against me. You knock me off my feet again, got me feeling like nothing new. With your voice like nails on the chalkboard, calling me out when I'm wounded. You picking on the weaker man. You can take me down with just one single blow, but you don't.